Hello everyone. So this time I'll show you how to use automatic transfer between departments. So we have demo page and we have one department. So first thing what we have to do is to create new department. Let's call it failover. And basically that's it for a moment. Now we go to default department. Chat transfer workflow, we choose to what department we want to transfer, we choose failover, we let chat to be in pending mode for 20 seconds. Also I recommend reset user once chat is transferred to another department. Save it. Now if we refresh, we see we have department, but we do not want to show failover. So we go back to failover department and we make it hidden. Save it and refresh, and we have only one department. So let's start the chat. Go to home and you see chat is pending now. This one is green, it indicates I'm online. So we wait for a little bit and we should see a change after some time. Yeah, you see its department changed to failover and you see status message change. So that's how simple failover works. Also one gotcha, you have to, if you are using delay in settings before user redirected to form, make sure you are not using this functionality. So that's all, and thank you.